2021 68 RFE. We're going to install this RevMax valve body on it. Look connector, solenoid pack. Just going to transfer those items to the new valve body and install it. 2021 Dodge truck. It's a brand new truck. 3,000 miles on it. Alright, so I got all the parts transferred, but this clip right here, it will not fit. This goes right there and it clips into that hole. And see, this valve body has a cutout here. RevMax valve body does not have the cutout, and this is so thick that this clip cannot be used. That's a bolt hole that bolts to the case. It is what it is. It's going back in. So for 3,000 miles, it does have a little bit of fluffiness on the magnets. This one takes 3 magnets, and you can see a little bit of a very little metal right there and right there. That's just normal, and right there, that's just normal transmission just breaking in. Like I said, this thing has only 3,000 miles. We'll clean this up, install it, fill it up with fluid, and we're done. My flashlight just went dead, but anyways, I think you can see. I'm gonna get the other flashlight. That wire is not that stretched out, so it's gonna be all right. But it would be nice that RevMax would do the cutout right here and the provision for the wire to go through, so it won't be that stretched out. I'm gonna go ahead and install that filter, both filters, put the pan back on. The nice thing about this unit is that it has a reusable pan gasket, which is a good feature. Instead of using silicone, I mean, normally 45 RFEs and 68 RFEs and 545s, they come with silicone on the pan from the factory. This silicone right here is just for the extension housing, but it does have a reusable pan gasket. That's a real good feature on this newer trucks. It's a 2021. I gotta plug in the shifter and solenoid pack. There we go. Installation complete on this Tales from the Bench video.